It's May the 11th. I planted this the 1st of November. It's my garlic. And it sure is looking like it's ready. I don't know. A few of them had scapes and I cut them off. But normally it's like middle of June when I harvest my garlic. So I don't know. We shall see. And there's my corn. I'm holding my camera right in front of my, pretty much my chin. So, some of it is taller than I am. Got something eating on some of it, looks like. May need to spray BT, but we're supposed to have rain. Oh, we got a tassel. Yay. I think what I'm going to do right now is rip this stuff out of this bed. It is all done, besides maybe a few carrots and a little garlic that's over there. I may give it to the goats, I don't know. Grass is getting out of control. My tomatoes look pitiful from all the rain. I have a few that are not looking so bad. But, you see that? This looks sick. This one looks okay. My peppers, they walk around here. I think I need to start some more pepper seeds because they had bloomed and had peppers on them, and all this rain is just wilted them. They look terrible. That one may survive. That one looks like I need to spray it with something too. It's got holes all in the leaf. But yeah, my eggplants kind of look okay. I've never grown eggplants before. These squash. These are zucchinis, and they look like they need some nitrogen. They're kind of pale yellow looking. See how wilted that one is? It's terrible. And it even had tomatoes on it, and they're rotten. So I don't know. I may not get any tomatoes this year. These are yellow squash. Apparently something has happened to that one. It's no good. I don't know what. Maybe squash vine board, but I've never seen white stuff like that. So I'll yank that one out. I actually have a couple squash on that one. That one's toast. That one's toast. That one's not doing much of anything. But the tomatoes, the cherry tomatoes, I want to work on tying them to the panel because they're getting out of control. This panel on this side and that panel are the yellow, supposed to be yellow cherry, yellow pear tomatoes, but the ones that I have seen are not pear-shaped. They're just green round balls. No, yeah. I don't know. Maybe they're not pear-shaped. Maybe they're just yellow tomatoes. I'm going to pull that one off, and I'm going to eat it and see what it tastes like. It may not be ripe yet. It may be a red cherry tomato. I don't know. But they are growing like crazy. My potatoes. This bed is store-bought, just russet potatoes. And this bed, the volunteer tomatoes have taken it over. I don't know when I'll be able to dig those potatoes, because if I dig the potatoes, it'll disturb these tomatoes terribly bad. So they may just get to stay in there until the tomatoes are done too. I don't know. I haven't seen any tomatoes on these. I've seen lots of blooms, but no tomatoes. Well, there's some. There's some kind of cherry tomatoes too. I knew they were volunteer cherries, but there's a gob of them. There's a watermelon amongst the weeds and the grass. There's one little one right there that don't look too good. Little one right there. One right there, right there, right there, right there. I'm not happy with my grassy, weedy garden, and it's my fault, but I don't know what I'm going to do. I need to start some more pepper seeds, that's for sure. Okay, y'all, I'm going to get busy. I'm not going to make y'all watch me rip this stuff out of this bed. I'm going to get busy. I just thought I would take y'all along on a little garden tour. This looks like a washout, literally, from all the rain. And we're supposed to get rain tonight and tomorrow again, on top of the 24 inches we got last week. So, there we have it. Oh, my cucumbers are like going crazy. Look at the blooms. It's unreal, but I know they're not all. Some of them are male blooms that don't have a cucumber on them, but they're blooming like crazy. When we get this much rain, the stuff in the raised beds does really good. Stuff in the ground doesn't do worth a flip. But anyway, there you have it. Thanks for joining me. These are some elderberries I stuck in here just from trimming my elderberries. And it blooms. And I probably really shouldn't let these bloom because they're so small. But I don't know. I don't know when I should yank them up and replant them. But I'm going to show you my other elderberries real quick. I haven't noticed any worms on them. And they have blooms. Yay. Like real blooms. I'm going to fall down. Yay. Now if I can keep anything else from trying to eat them, I will. Okay, alright, got that one cleaned out. The lettuce and Swiss chard, and I think the spinach was already gone. But anyway, got that done. Now I have to decide what I'm going to plant here.